हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैक स्टडी पॉइंट। आज इस वीडियो में थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। यह हमारा थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का पहला वीडियो है। हम पिछले वीडियो में फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स कवर कर चुके हैं, जो कि 7 वीडियो में ओवरऑल कवर हो चुका है। उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है। उसको देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को चेक करें। सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है इसमें थर्मोडायनेमिक्स। थर्मोडायनेमिक्स सिस्टम। Let's we start the one by one topic. First is it is the defined as the quantity of the matter or the space, or choose where the thermodynamics study या thermodynamics experimentally are performed those places. That is called thermodynamics system. And mass and region outside the system, that is called surrounding. So this is the system A, like a system, and surrounding the A, that is called as the surrounding system of A. So that is called surrounding. Like this is the universal, like a universal is equal to surrounding combination. So let's see the types of the system. Next is the open system and closed system and isolated system. So open system, in this system the mass and energy both are transferred to the surrounding, right? As a one open bowl of mass, one open bowl of ice, which where is the energy is transferred to the surrounding and mass also transfer. So that is the example of open system. Next is the closed system. In this system is the only energy is transfer and the and to the system to the surrounding, but mass is not transfer. Like a one closed one closed basket where is the mass is not transfer but energy is transfer. Next is the isolated system. Is the isolated system is mass and energy both are not transferred to the surrounding. So one is a refrigerator. Refrigerator is which is not transfer the mass and energy both. So but perfect isolated system there is no example practically, but it is like assumption. It is hypothetically, but perfect isolated system is impossible. So next is a topic is thermodynamics property. And so discuss about the thermodynamics property, and it is the so the characteristic feature of the system, that is called thermodynamics property. Thermodynamics property दो टाइप्स की होती है, इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी। इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी जो मास पे डिपेंड नहीं करती है, लाइक दिस, एंड इट इज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द मास। इसमें मिस्टेक है, it is not depend on the mass or the size of a matter. So that is called intensive property, like pressure and density and the specific energy and the temperature, etc. So last is the intensive property. It is depend on the of mass and the size of a matter. That is called intensive property. The example of intensive property is the mass and energy, volume and internal energy. Next is the work, and it is the product of pressure and the volume. So where is the work done is delta V. P is the pressure of the system and delta V is the changing volume. Let one piston cylinder arrangement where is the volume of a piston is initially volume of a piston is V1 and the final volume of a piston is V2. So and the later pressure inside the cylinder is P. So we will calculate the work by the piston arrangement. So that is W is equal to the P delta V2 minus V1. When in expansion and contraction it will change. So let us consider expansion. So finally formula W is equal to the P delta P V2 minus V1. So like W, so V2 like this is the V2 and minus and V1 like this. So where is the it is a also product of a pressure like this. This is the pressure like this is the calculation of work done by the system or the surrounding. It may be negative and positive depend on the situation. So इस वर्क के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस कर देंगे एंड वर्क की यूनिट जूल जूल टाइम एक्सेट्रा. अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब द मेक स्टडी पॉइंट और मोर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो जानने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.